Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Saturday. After a strong cold front made landfall yesterday over the western parts of South Africa, it's been cold ever since. But this morning started off warm over the northern parts with thunderstorms from early on over parts of Gauteng, Mpumalanga as well as KZN. Meanwhile, the cold front lies on the doorstep of Gauteng and the eastern Free State, and it's cold over the central parts of South Africa already. We're also keeping a close eye on widespread showers over the western half of the Eastern Cape. That's where the upper air trough is positioned, and these showers will spread to the eastern parts of the province during the course of the afternoon. So there's an 80% chance of showers and thunder showers today over much of KZN and the Eastern Cape. Snowfalls are likely on the high ground in the Drakensberg today, and scattered thunderstorms are expected later on over much of Mpumalanga, while isolated showers are still likely over the southeastern parts of the Northern Cape, with rain starting to clear from the west along the Western Cape south coast. There is a watch for disruptive snowfalls, mainly for the Drakensberg region in KZN, as well as the northeastern high ground of the Eastern Cape. Now, as the cold front moves away from South Africa, we're expecting a strong high-pressure system to ridge in behind it. Cloudy, cold and wet conditions predicted for the eastern half of South Africa tomorrow, with wet weather already starting overnight tonight. Very wet conditions predicted for KZN tomorrow, with a possibility of heavy rainfall, but an offshore circulation results in clear conditions in the west, and after a chilly start to the day, we'll see slightly higher daytime temperatures, especially along the west coast. After strong winds yesterday, we're not expecting a very windy day over the interior of South Africa. Light winds across Gauteng and the eastern Free State, moderate to fresh southwesterlies over the eastern and northern Cape. We're expecting fresh southwesterlies along the east coast today and strong onshore winds in the vicinity of East London. Daytime temperatures in the upper 20s over Limpopo as well as the northern lowveld of Mpumalanga, but it's much cooler further west. Highs of 18 in Bethlehem and Bloemfontein, 15 degrees in the R today and 10 expected in Sutherland, Cape Town, Port Elizabeth and East London, with maximums of 15 degrees as well. Overnight, temperatures drop below 0 degrees in places over the eastern and northern Cape interior, down to -3 in Sutherland, 3 degrees overnight in Bloemfontein and Kimberley, 13 in Durban and only 7 expected initially in Pietermaritzburg, Johannesburg's low dropping to a low of 10. Now we're expecting a much cooler day over the eastern half of South Africa, with a high of 16 degrees in Pretoria, cloudy, wet conditions likely and heavy falls in places over KwaZulu-Natal. But by Monday, much of the rain will have cleared and we're expecting a few showers at first in Richards Bay, with temperatures recovering rapidly in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.